Hello students, welcome to today's video of R programming. The topic I am going to discuss today is lists in R, and the subtopics inside the lists: list containing same data type, how to display the list, and list containing different data types, then how to assess the elements of the list, then merging of lists, and list containing sequences. The first step is how to create a list. Suppose A is the variable. To create the list, we have to write first of all list. Then suppose I am writing some elements, then print these values. You can display the elements. These are the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can display the element like this. Suppose different data types are there. List. Then suppose I am writing orange. Then one vector 786. Then logical content is there. One decimal value is there. Integer value is there. Complex value is there. One matrix is there. Suppose these are the contents. Now how to display this one? Print B. You can create a list with different data types. You can display the content. First value is orange, then 786, then true, 11.2, 67, 2 plus 4i, then 2, 3, and 4. What is the meaning of 2, 3, and 4? 2 rows, 3 columns. Actually, combination is required here. C, one more bracket is required. Let's execute the program again. Now it's okay. First element is orange, then 786, the combination, then true, then 11.2, 67, 2 plus 4 iota, then matrix 2, 3, and 4. Suppose I am writing 2, 3, 4, and 6, then n row is equal to 2. Number of rows is equal to 2. Now execute again. You can display 2 rows and 2 columns. This one is the matrix. Later on, I will discuss about only the matrices in the new video. Now, what about assessing elements of the list? How to assess the elements of the list? Suppose I am printing B in square bracket 1. Okay. you can display only orange. Means the first content you can display. If I am writing 0 here and execute, empty list is there, no element is there. If I am writing 2, I can display the second element. Similarly, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. If I am writing 7, I can display matrix. Yes. It means by writing the address in square bracket, I can display the content accordingly. One more methodology is there. Suppose I am writing print B, then dollar sign, matrix. Now execute this one. B dollar sign matrix. Okay. There is no matrix inside this one. Let us try again. Suppose I am assigning some names to the list. In double quotes, 1, then 2, in double quotes, 3. I am assigning some numbers, 4, 5, 6, and 7, because 7 elements are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Suppose I am printing now, print B, then dollar sign, 7. Now execute the program. Now it's okay. Now what is the meaning of 7? It means it will print the matrix. If I am writing 3 here, it means I can print all the contents are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can display the content accordingly. If I am writing 3, I can print the third element, that is true. You can check here, this one is the third element, true. It means by assigning the names, I can assess according to their name. First one is I can address according to 1, 2, 3, that is number. If I am writing some names, I can assess accordingly. Suppose I am writing here string, then suppose I am writing here vector, then logical, then integer, and then complex, string value. First is string value, then vector, then logical, then decimal here in double quotes. Decimal, then integer, complex. After complex, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last value is matrix. Suppose I am writing matrix here, you can display according to that. Now, write dollar sign. Suppose I am writing matrix here. Now, display the content. Yes, matrix is there. Now, you can check by writing dollar sign. All the values are there: string, vector, logical, decimal, integer, complex. Whatever the value you would like to display, you can display by assigning the names. True. Okay. The next one is merging of list. Suppose two lists are there, A1, or you can write L1. First list comprise of some element 2, 3, 1, 5. Then second list comprise of another set of elements 1, 7, 8, and 9. Suppose we have to merge these two lists. Then what I have to do? Suppose L3 is the new list. Then C L1, comma L2. Now print L3. Let us check the output. First one, then second. Okay, you can combine the elements 2, 3, 1, 5, then 1, 7, 8, 9. You can combine all the elements. This one is merging of list. Then list containing sequence. Suppose L4 is the list. Okay, one thing is pending. I am creating vector here. I have to write list. Here also list is required. Suppose I am merging two different contents, alpha, beta, gamma. Suppose I am writing here 1, 2, and 3, then the combination is there. Let's execute the program now, because in previous case vectors are there. First one, second, and then merging of list. Let us check this one. Okay, 1, 1, 4, 1. Okay, you can display the complete combination of this one. First list and second list you can display in combined form, L1 and L2. Now what about the list containing sequences? Suppose L4 is the list. This one is the sequence, and L5, suppose another list is there, list, 11 to 0, then print L4 and then L5. Let us check. You can display the contents accordingly. 2 to 9, then 11 to 0. You can display the data in increasing or decreasing order as per required. This one is the sequence 2 to 9. Suppose I have to unlist the numbers. One more topic is there, unlisting. Suppose I am writing the new variable L6 and then unlist. Suppose I am writing L4. Now print L6. Let us check the output now. Two, three, four, 5. These are the elements without listing. Suppose I am writing L5 here. You can display the data accordingly. These are the elements without listing, and these are the elements with listing. Now, what is the difference between listing and without listing? List are the elements in sequence, and without listing elements can be in another order. I am going to repeat the content I discussed today. First one is list containing same data type. Second one is list containing different data type, and then assigning names, and then with the help of names how to assess the element, and without giving names how to assess the elements. Then merging of list, then list containing sequences, and unlisting of list. Thanks for watching my video.